Hey spicy fans, today is one of my family favorites, chow mein. Chow mein is fried noodles, but I'm making it with a twist. I am using spaghetti instead of noodles. We do it that way also. Here are my ingredients for this lovely food. Details of these ingredients are in the description box below. I'm going to start right away. A bit of olive oil, and in goes beef. The beef is nicely sealed now, and I am cutting in some onions, big chunky onions. Stir it into it, separate the onions and stir, and quickly give it some black pepper. Add black pepper to your taste. In addition to that, I'm adding some chipotle. Chipotle is a nice smoky aroma flavored, not flavored, it's actually in it, smoky aroma pepper made with lots of ingredients. Read about it. I'm just adding about 2. Oh, if you add chipotle to food, oh, it tastes so nice. Stir it in. These are green chilies, green Thai chilies. I am not cutting them into pieces because I have other greens that I'm putting in it. I don't want it to look like them and put it in it for someone to chew, so I'm leaving them long like that so I can identify them easily. The beef is cooking. Now I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce to add to the little juice in it, and oyster sauce. A little bit as well. Don't put too much oyster sauce. When it overpowers the food, it tastes too sweet. It will be like you added too much of Maggi cube in your food. But it is nice, sour, tasty, peppery. Everything is inside. Cover this nicely. You wait for the meat to be a little bit tender. This kitchen smells now like we are in a Chinese restaurant. Spicy fans, have you subscribed yet? If you've not, please subscribe, share and like this video for more people to see this sumptuous meals. I'm cutting the cloves of garlic into halves now. We in this house like a lot of chunky things. Beef is okay, is done. So I'm going to reduce the heat and take them off, and then we continue to the next step. I'm adding a little bit more of the oil, and I'm starting with the carrot. Next is the French beans. Mine are frozen ones, but you can use any frozen good, fresh good, everything good. Look at the combination of colors in this pan. Isn't that beautiful? This one, when you eat it like this, this is ginger. I grated it long. I want it to be biting on them, so I made it this way so that, oh, chunky ginger. And garlic, of course. Oyster sauce is the next. A splash of oyster sauce, not too much, and lots of black pepper. If you don't want a lot, just give it a little bit. We want a lot. Now the meat goes back in. Oh, look at that. Stir it. Oh, I just get excited whenever I see a mix of colors. I think I am ready with my stir fry meat and vegetables, and I am now going to add the spaghetti, but before then I think the sauce is a bit much, so I'm taking a bit away so that it wouldn't be too much. Where's my pepper? My spicy pepper. In goes the spaghetti. Spaghetti. Get in there. And then soy sauce. And fresh. I don't like overcooking my spring onions. Now grab them, mix them while it is on low heat. If you take some of the stew out and you stir and realize that you need it, you can put it back. The cameraman is like, How would you do your chow mein? And would you call it chow mein, or you will call it fried spaghetti? How do you eat it? Can you show me? I want it a little bit darker than this, so I'm adding a little bit of dark soy sauce, and I think I would love a little bit of more black pepper. I'm mixing that in very nicely. And you eat this. Bite on those chunky beefs. Oh, look at my pepper. If you want more spring onions, why not? In goes. We love a lot of springy onions. It's so nice and satisfying to be doing this. Our food is done now, and like the icing on the cake, I just sprinkle a little bit of sesame oil for extra shine and the taste of it. Sesame oil, and stir very well. Chow mein, Spicyfafa way.